Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 adults worldwide have a fatty liver and most don't even know it? It's one of those conditions that sneaks up quietly. No sharp pain, no fever, no dramatic symptoms. Just silent damage happening behind the scenes. If you're constantly tired, gaining belly fat despite trying to eat clean, or waking up with a foggy mind, your liver could be waving a red flag. The good news? You don't need medications or expensive detox kits to heal it. In fact, your liver is incredibly resilient. It can repair itself naturally if you give it the right support. And that's what we're diving into today. Fatty liver, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, is one of the most underdiagnosed conditions I see in my clinical practice. Many people still believe fatty liver only affects those who drink alcohol heavily. But here's the truth. Even people who rarely drink can have liver fat buildup due to high sugar intake, processed foods, and sedentary habits. It's not just about alcohol, it's about insulin, inflammation, and lifestyle. If left unchecked, it can progress to liver inflammation, fibrosis, and eventually cirrhosis. That's why catching it early and knowing how to naturally reverse it is so important. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 6 science-backed ways to detox and heal your fatty liver naturally, safely, and without medications. These tips are based on clinical evidence, real patient stories, and practical changes that you can start today. Let's get started. Cut the sugar, not just the fat. When people hear fatty liver, they immediately think they need to cut out dietary fat. But here's the surprise. The bigger culprit is sugar, especially fructose. Fructose is found in sugary drinks, fruit juices, baked goods, and even foods labeled as low fat. The problem is, fructose is metabolized only in the liver. So when you consume too much, your liver gets overwhelmed and starts converting that sugar into fat. This fat stays in the liver, leading to inflammation over time. In my clinic, I've had patients cut out soda and processed sugars for just 30 days, and their liver enzyme levels dropped significantly. Start by eliminating sweetened beverages and packaged snacks. If you need a sweet fix, go for fresh fruit or a piece of dark chocolate. And always check food labels if you see high fructose corn syrup. That's a red flag. Eat more cruciferous vegetables. Foods like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts are powerful allies for your liver. These cruciferous vegetables are rich in compounds like sulforaphane and glucosinolates, which help activate liver detox enzymes. Think of them as the liver's natural garbage trucks, helping to clear out waste and reduce fat buildup. Even just 1 serving a day can make a difference. Add steamed broccoli to your lunch, roast some cauliflower for dinner, or blend spinach and kale into a morning smoothie. These veggies also support your gut, another key player in liver health. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating is one of the most effective ways to support liver detox. When you give your body longer breaks between meals, your insulin levels drop and your body starts using stored fat, including liver fat, for energy. Research shows that even a simple 12 to 14-hour fasting window can significantly reduce liver fat over time. You don't have to skip meals or starve yourself. Try finishing dinner by 7 p.m. and having breakfast around 9 a.m. That gives your liver a solid 14 hours to rest and reset. The key is consistency. As a doctor, I've seen this approach improve liver enzymes and energy levels without any medication at all. Focus on real liver healing foods. Forget the teas, powders, and detox pills you see advertised online. Many of those liver cleanse supplements are unregulated and can actually stress the liver further. Instead, focus on real, whole foods that have been shown in studies to support liver function. One surprising example? Coffee. Yep, moderate coffee consumption, 2 to 3 cups a day, has been linked to lower liver enzyme levels and reduced liver fibrosis. Just go easy on the cream and sugar. Other liver-loving foods include garlic, which contains allicin to help clear toxins, and turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory properties. You can easily add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or golden milk lattes. These foods are gentle, natural, and effective, just what your liver needs. Move your body daily, even if just a little. You don't need a gym membership to support your liver. Just moving your body daily, especially brisk walking, can help reduce liver fat. Exercise increases insulin sensitivity, lowers inflammation, and encourages your liver to burn excess fat. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of movement most days. That might mean walking around the block, dancing in your kitchen, or using resistance bands while watching television. Don't overthink, just move consistently. I always tell my patients, you can't out-sit your way to a healthy liver. Even short bursts of activity make a big difference over time. Prioritize sleep. Your liver works the night shift. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's crucial for liver detox. During deep sleep, your body releases hormones that regulate metabolism, control inflammation, and support tissue repair, including in the liver. Poor sleep raises cortisol, your stress hormone, which worsens insulin resistance and liver fat storage. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep per night. Avoid screens for an hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark, and create a wind-down routine. Your liver is doing its hardest work while you rest, so don't shortchange it. In my practice, I've seen countless patients with elevated liver enzymes who were terrified they needed medication. But once we made these small but powerful changes, removing sugary drinks, improving sleep, adding liver-friendly foods, their numbers improved, and they felt better within weeks. The liver is a self-healing organ. It just needs the right environment. If this video helped you understand your liver better, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be struggling with fatigue or stubborn belly fat. And if you want to learn how to spot the early warning signs of liver damage, check out the video I've linked above. Don't miss it. Your liver is constantly working behind the scenes, filtering toxins, managing hormones, and processing nutrients. When you take care of it, your entire body benefits. Energy improves, weight becomes easier to manage, and inflammation goes down. So don't wait for a diagnosis. Start today naturally. Your liver will thank you.